This is a special note I hope all the followers of New Bob get to view. Growth is change, and change is the one thing that terrifies as much as it excites. I quote this from Angela the Motivator 3 years ago. The line resonated with me all along, but only now it is starting to make sense. My channel is about making money, and so must it be. I accelerated to the jackpot of success, but recently I felt like I've not. Success alone is limited. I got it all wrong. Focusing only on me was the first step not to success. Even the ones I tried to grab this opportunity with, I dedicated with limited resources. FX Lucy was a success with limited resources. Uploads on my channel were meant to empower and improve the viewers, but all this was limited. My success will be measured by the number of lives I changed successfully. So far I've decided being rich is mandatory, at least for me. Then it's about time that I bring more valuable content to my viewers.